Hi there, so continuing fractions involving several operations. Here's a complex fraction that we need to simplify. So first we'll just turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions, and then we can simplify this numerator. So this is 326 and 17/2. Now we turn this division into a multiplication. Now it's, instead of 7/10, it's 10/7 minus a2 16 and 1 17/8. Now we leave this as 4/5. For the denominator, we'll add the whole numbers. We have 1 and 2, which gives us 3. We'll have a common denominator here for 4, 2, and 5, which is 20. And so 5/20 is the same as a quarter. 10/20 is the same as a half. And 12/20 is the same as 3/5. It's just equivalent fractions. And rather than writing them out separately and then putting it together, we'll just use the same denominator to write it as a single fraction. Now we can simplify this numerator here. We can divide by 7 here. This cancels with this to give us 5. And across here, we divide by 4. And our results, after all of these cancellations, we have 5 times 1 times 1, which is 5. And we have, well, that should just be 5 times 1, which is on the left of this equals minus sign, which is 5. Then we have 17/2 times 1/5, which is 17/10, which is the same as 1 and 7/10. That's just the numerator. The denominator, when we sum all of this, we have 22 add 5, which is 27/20, which gives us 1 and 7/20. When we add the 3, the whole number 3, we get 4 and 7/20. So in the denominator we have 4 and 7/20. From here, if we simplify for the numerator here, we subtract 1 and 7/10 from 5. We have 3 and 3/10. And we have 4 and 7/20 in the denominator. Now the numerator, will turn this into a improper fraction, which is 33/10. And this is 87/20. When we turn it into multiplication, it's 20/87. And this simplifies to give us the final simplification as 22/29. So note that I've kept all my calculations together. I haven't gone off and done any sub-calculations. And if you're fluent in dealing with fractions, you'll be able to just do the simple sub-calculations mentally. For instance, calculating, changing this to improper fraction, and then writing out the division, or turn it into a multiplication by just upturning this fraction from 7 over 10 to 10 over 7, doing the cancellation, and then maintaining everything all together. Our final result, 22 over 29. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.